What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4 that's still under factory warranty. It's got the bright white clear coat exterior with black leather interior, coming in at 3,950 miles. It's a one-owner clean CarFax with no accidents. It's got the 5.7-liter V8 and the off-road group, as well as tow package with 7-pin wiring harness, ParkView rear backup camera, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, ventilated front seats, Bluetooth, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4 with the off-road group. We're open 7 days a week. Come on down for a test drive.